I feel that that development experience which I had for a couple of years, that really helped me shape as a product manager. So if you look at the overall product management spectrum, right, there is a segment of product managers who are a little bit technical in nature, and then there are product managers who are very business oriented. So the kind of product manager I am and I have been is on the technical side, wherein I understand the technical nuances of the products I handle, and those are primarily software products, right? So, being from the software background, I understand what it takes to build the products, how complex the systems can be, how easy can it be to do some kind of enhancements. So, all those experience has really shaped me to be a very good product manager, and it really helps me have meaningful conversations with my engineering folks in order to ensure that whatever we are building it the right way.